Glamour is forever.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from London, England,
Everyone in this match is competing at such a high level. I predict one of the most competitive matches we've seen in a very long time.
One of the most anticipated matches we've had in quite some time. And this woman is the reason why.
from New York,
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is in our form. She loves the reaction she receives from the WWE Universe, and I think she's going to take that energy into the match, too.
Here's a superstar that is seemingly created to be the next big thing in WWE, a natural athlete in the truest sense. She has set her bar quite high early into her career.
I think it's a good thing, Cole. You don't become one of the greatest by setting easy goals. Pushing herself is what she's all about.
We'll see if she has enough to push to get the victory here tonight.
But she'll be facing a challenge in the form of a superstar who has a vendetta to settle. You know this one's going to get intense, judging by all the vitriol that's led up to tonight.
Going up high with the punch.
Utilizing the top rope to inflict more punishment. Across the top rope. Good Lord, that was nasty.
And she quickly turned that around.
They're just toying with their opponent right now, having fun at their expense. She dodges out of the way.
Locking up with the collar and elbow.
Gaining some more control here, pushing their opponent to the corner. Going up high with the punch.
Unloading! And if the first stop doesn't send you the message, the follow-up ones definitely will.
Nasty stop of the arm.
She's on noodle legs, not looking good.
Locking up with one another. Finds a way to get into a wrist lock of their own.
Turns it around and gains control with the wrist lock.
Getting out and now locking in the side headlock.
Oh! Switching things up, taking control of the waist here. Cagey maneuver there to get out of that.
Turns it around with a chin lock.
Right on the chops. Oh, and it's reversed. Placing her against the turnbuckle. this has got to hurt.
Focusing on a body part, picking it apart. The arm's as good of a place to focus as any.
Oh, she can end this thing right here. Kick out just in time.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it. She's locked in, about to go for the kill.
And he evades the attack.
They're going to have to try to fight out of this. Body shots connecting. Spiked with a Uranagi.
Just a good old toss for the leg.
I don't think people realize the amount of strength it takes to hurl someone like that. Lifted and completely helpless here. Straight impact down the throat. Catapulted down the opponent.
Oh, my goodness. From the ground up.
Start the celebration. She just ended things.
Cover. Oh, not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
What is he going to take to keep her down?
The answer might be more than her opponent can offer.
But if we see one more devastating move again, this can be over soon.
Uh-oh. High angle belly and back suplex.
Look at this, just unloading. And a stop to the gut, too.
Rising to her feet, and she's going to be met with something fierce.
She saw that coming. Able to make a timely escape.
Jumping suplex. Lands the elbow.
Oh, boy. I think the crowd knows what's coming.
A drop kick from the middle rope.
Nicely done. Got the leg and drops an elbow.
I don't think any of these superstars are going to show any quit at this point.
Never say die attitude on full display. Deadlifted clean off the mat.
So much pain inflicted in this match.
Yeah, this is troubling. Can only hold on for so long now.
She fights back with the counter.
Back elbow smash, nothing fancy.
And she's really on the back foot now.
She's doing all she can to hang on. She's showing how much punishment she can withstand before getting her own offense in.
It's a start, but she's got to keep this aggression.
TKO.
Got the cover. This might be the end.
She's still got something left.
I can't believe it. The people can't believe it. I don't think the referee can believe it.
This can't bode well.
That's devastating. That's how you take out your opponent.
Into the pin. 2. She kicks out. I don't believe it.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull off that one more time.
Oh, weakening the leg here.
Oh, and she's tilting this fight in her favor.
You can tell she's focused on taking her opponent down.
Uh-oh, counter. What did it...
We're going to see it.
Goalless power back.
Will that punch her take it towards victory? Amazing. Her perseverance is unreal.
Preserving her opportunity to keep this match alive.
That is firing your biggest shot, but leaving your prey left standing. Time to reload. There's electricity running through this arena right now.
Will it be the spark for one of these competitors?
Shoulder tackle.
She has her down for the count.
And she fights it off.
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal.
she puts the place.
Set up for a second time. DDT. Maximum damage done on that one.
And the cover. It wasn't enough. She kicked out.
I'm pretty sure everyone in the building thought that was going to be the end of it, myself included.
And that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time?
Getting up, but she has no idea she's in the crosshairs.
Nobody home.
Wow, what a claw.
Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
Oh, that was just malicious. Insulting.
She just busted her open.
I can't watch.
I have a feeling this is only the start. No doubt she's looking to end her here.
From the top, drop kick, missile style.
All eyes focused on this absolute war.
Looking to put the match away here.